Stop. If squats hurt your knees or hips, the problem isn't your knees or hips. The problem is how you are squatting. Here's the truth. Most people damage their joints while doing squats, and they don't even realize it. By the end of this video, you will understand why squats cause pain and how to fix it without quitting squats completely. I'm not saying squats are bad, and I'm not telling you to stop squatting. But there are 3 common mistakes almost everyone makes. Fix even one of them, and your knees can feel better immediately. Let's start with the most common mistake. Most people let their knees collapse inward when they squat. This sends direct stress into the knee joint. Think of your knees like car tires. If the tires point inward, they wear out faster. When you squat, imagine gently pushing the floor outward with your feet. Not too hard, just enough to keep your knees tracking naturally. Now the second big mistake. If your heels lift off the ground during squats, your body weight shifts forward and your knees take the load. Your heel is the anchor of the squat. When the anchor lifts, the joints take the stress. Now let's talk about something many people ignore, your core. Your core is not just your abs. It's your body's shock absorber. Imagine a skyscraper. If the foundation is weak, the whole building becomes unstable. Before you squat, brace your core lightly, like someone is about to poke your stomach. Not stiff, not relaxed, just engaged. Now about hip pain. Many people drop straight down like they're sitting on a chair. This causes the hips to jam. A good squat is not just going down. Your hips and knees move together smoothly and in control. Now let's move to a more advanced detail. Your foot has 3 pressure points: your heel, your big toe, and your little toe. During the squat, all 3 should stay in contact with the ground. If one lifts, balance breaks, and the joints take more stress. Another mistake that causes pain is dropping too fast into the squat. Lower yourself like you're sitting on thin ice. Slow, controlled. Science shows that slower lowering reduces joint stress by spreading the load through your muscle. And remember, doing squats daily does not mean squatting heavy. 10 clean squats are better than 50 sloppy ones. Ask yourself right now, do my knees collapse inward? Do my heels lift? Do I rush the movement? If yes, that's not failure. That's awareness. And awareness fixes pain. Now your challenge. Stand up right now. Do 10 slow, controlled squats. Feel your feet. Feel your core. Let your knees move naturally. If you feel the difference, your body has been waiting for this correction. Squat smarter, not harder.